Hello class, so today we are going to solve the following system of equations by graphing, and what we're going to do is we're going to find the x and y intercepts for this equation and this equation. Let's start with the top one first. X minus y equals -1. If we set y to 0, that would leave us with x equals -1. So on our chart here, if y equals 0, x would be equal to -1 right here. The next step we would do, let's erase this here, is we would find the y-intercept. So x minus 1 equals, x minus y equals -1. We set x to 0, we would have -y equals -1. Divide both by -1, and we have y equals 1. So on our x-axis, if it's set to 0, we would have y equals 1. And that gives us our first line here, across those 2 points that we just plotted. The next step would be to find the x and y intercepts for the other equation, this one here. Let's change colors. Let's do red. X plus y equals 7. If we set x to 0, we would have y equals 7. So along our 0 x-axis here, y would equal 7 on this point there. The next step would be to find our x-intercept. X plus y equals 7. Let's set y to 0, and we would have x equals 7. So if y is 0, we would go to 7 on our x-axis, gives us this dot here, and we draw a line right through those 2 points there. And here's our intersect point right here. Looks like it's at 3 and 4 right here and right here. That's our solution set where these 2 points intersect. So that's how you find the x and y intercepts on a graph, and how you plot lines on a graph. And where they intersect is where your solution set is. Thank you.